Okay po, I am trading currently. This is a live account trading from euro US dollar. Kagagaling lang po ng fundamental na napakalalim. So I'm going up, trading up. So what I'm showing you here po is a brief explanation on how you earn in forex. Kung mapapansin nyo po, as of now, ito na po ang kikitain niya. That's $35. That's around 11 pips lang po. Now, I'm trading ngayon po with the account of 25,000 pesos. That's $500 with trading value of $3 per pip. Ito na po ang kikitain. Bakit ko po ito pinapakita sa inyo? Just not to entice you, but to encourage you to learn. To learn how to do forex. No? Specifically, ginawa ko itong video for my friend, for the Damayan members also, na ito po, this is one of the stability, this is one of the program, although the Damayan program is maganda na po yun, but if you want transparency and stability, tama po ang decision ng CEO ninyo. So, ngayon, nasa $42 na po ako, gross, and that's 14.4 pips. And it's still going up. My target profit just for today, just for this hour, is $85. Imagine po, $85. Now, this is people from Damayan, people from Damayan members. This is your current fund na nangyayari. No? Pumikita po ang sistema at ganito po kabilis at kalaki ang potential. So if you support the vision of your CEO and he will explain it, I'm also glad to encourage you how to do this. So Pinoy, mga kapwa Pinoy, hopefully hindi po ito gagamitin ng iba para lang po makalamang. No, some informations are free in the internet. If ever you need something, PM lang po kayo. And for the Damayan members particularly, guys, look at your account. It's growing na po. It's really growing. So that's it. Maraming salamat.